Hello, hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here. Today, I am bringing you this beautiful Eweadn F98 keyboard. First of all, thank you to Eweadn for sending me this beautiful F98 keyboard to review. Now let's talk about this sleek, creamy green beauty of a keyboard. If you're someone who loves a good balance between aesthetics, performance, and comfort, this one really might win you over. I love the way they added this aluminum alloy panel. It gives it such a sleek look. Now let's talk about typing experience. The water drop pudding keycaps are a full game changer. They're designed to make typing almost whisper quiet, and I mean quiet. So this is perfect if you're gaming late at night or just don't want to annoy everyone at the office with every single keystroke. Plus, these keycaps have a nice ergonomic curve, so your fingers just sort of glide over them. So it's super comfy for long sessions. This board has 14 different lighting effects, or you can turn the effect completely off. The soft glow is very easy on the eyes, plus you can adjust the brightness and the speed of the pattern to suit your vibe. I also love that it's a wired connection, so there is no lag. It's simply plug and play. No drivers needed, and you don't have to download any sketchy software. This board works perfectly with Windows or Mac. And if you're a fan of portability, the slim design makes it super easy to take from your office to a coffee shop or wherever you work or play. It's lightweight, but it's still sturdy enough for travel. Overall, if you're into a clean look, a smooth, quiet typing experience, and that satisfying RGB glow, this keyboard is definitely worth a look.